Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, it's certainly some updates here need to be made on this one, especially after today we got confirmation of one of those areas. And first thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning, get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on just a very foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And we got confirmation of that with the move upwards during that initial part of the day. Price made a spike upwards. You can see right there, though, classic example of that support now acting as resistance. And not only did it prevent the price from continuing, it actually smacked the price all the way back down to that 0012 mark. So point here being that if there is any sort of attempted turnaround, it's all about that 0014 mark. And not necessarily can the price get back up to that level, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it? So you're going to want to keep a very close eye on 0014. But as far as levels of support are concerned, and in my mind, this is what I would definitely call a must hold, do or die, whatever dramatic term you can think of. And that sits down there at 0011. And the reason why that level is so important is if the price breaks below that level, now all of a sudden you basically have the price having gone right back to where it was at these lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, especially when those, quote unquote, where they were, was at lows, not a sign of power, not a sign of strength at all. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen because, to be fair, that level has been doing a very impressive job of holding strong. The bears have tried several times to push down through there, but the bulls have held strong every single time, and you definitely want to continue to see that happen moving forward. But yeah, as of now, things are looking pretty shaky, but we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.